The highlights that we show here on the VIV for Moba are a new Magna grader, which is our next generation grading platform that we introduce here to the world. We're really proud of that introduction. Besides the grading, we also do the processing part, where we have a new Proxima breaker with new recipe control for creating consistent products that we are really proud of. And we have a new way of how we interact with our customers through the myMoba portal. So that is how we're really setting a lot of new things to our customers. Foundational for all these innovations is our vision technology that really redefines how we detect and grade our eggs within the industry.
Vision technology is indeed the foundation for success in modern grading and processing facilities. Vision technology contributes to a couple of things that really increases the performance of our customers. It contributes to a more food-safe production, less requirement for technical labor, and it increases the yield and the performance of our systems. In processing, that means reducing labor in the candling procedure, reducing the amount of false rejects, and reducing the requirement for labor. And in grading, this means that we prevent losses, and that maximizes yield of the operation. We introduce here at the VIV vision-based weighing on the Magna platform. We do this by means of an advanced deep learning mechanism that is scanning the eggs by taking 26 images, 13 from both sides. This leads to unparalleled accuracy, increasing yield, and saves misclassifications of egg weights. This way of handling the eggs is a patented technology that analyzes the eggs from all directions, leaving no detail missed in the eggshells that we measure. And this ultimately drives profit for our customers.
In our thinking of how we bring new innovations to the world, we look very closely how we can help our customers in making it easier for their operators to run the production. And as part of that, on our grading side, we introduce our operator assistance, which is about bringing relevant information in the right location, in the right context to the people so they can perform their task as efficient as possible. So they can prepare for the next step, they know what to do, and that means that there is more efficiency, less waste, and less stress for the people around the grading line. So with recipe control on our breakers, we provide the ability for our customers to create end products, store them in the recipes, and run them time and time again with the same output. So that means high yield, while maintaining separation quality. So with those innovations within our breaking and processing portfolio, we now have a complete portfolio for our processing customers, including powder production, including reverse osmosis, and with that we can deliver turnkey solutions for our processing side, bringing more value to our customers.